So hello friends, in today's video we are going to talk about Google Meet. It is a perfect alternative for Zoom app. So in today's video we will cover up the topics like how to host meeting in Google Meet in PC and mobile, and even schedule meeting and other features in this app. So friends, first you must open Google Chrome. After opening Google Chrome, at the right side top corner you can see 9 dots. You must click on that. Those are Google apps. So you can see many Google apps. You must click on Google Meet. So after clicking that, you can open Google Meet website. If you can't, you can just go to the website meet.google.com. You can type, or the link will be given in the description also. So friends, this is the interface. You can see start meeting, enter meeting code. So first I will show you start a meeting. To host a meeting, so first you should click on start meeting. So friends, if you are opening this page for the first time, then they will ask permissions for microphone and camera. So you must give permissions so that they can get access to your camera and microphone. So this will be the interface. There will be mic off and on option, and camera on and off option, and there will be more option. When you click on that, you will get settings. In settings you will get more options like setting the resolution and setting the microphone and speakers. So you can set higher resolution if you have high internet speed, or low resolution if you have low net speed. So it depends upon your internet speed, and after that you can give done. So after clicking on done, now you can select on join now option to start the meeting. So friends, when you start the meeting, a pop-up window will appear where you can copy the joining link and send to your social medias, or even through WhatsApp to your group or friends, so that when they click on this link they will be able to join the meeting. So friends, there is another option to invite participants, that is by clicking on add people. In this people, they will allow you to send mail to their Gmail, and they will get a code. When they enter the code in the Google Meet, they will be able to join the meeting. So you can send code through Gmail also, and not one Gmail but up to 100 Gmail. So friends, next is a very useful feature from Google Meet, that is turn on caption. When the host enables this in her PC, then you will not only be hearing her voice, but you can even read what she is talking. And even you can share your screen to the participants by clicking on present now. So friends, now I will show you how to schedule a meeting. So again, like the first step, you should see at the right side top corner the 9 dot where all the Google apps will be there. You should click on Google Meet, or you can open by typing meet.google.com. After opening the website, you can see schedule video meeting on Google Calendar. You must click on the plus icon and it will take you to the Google Calendar. So friends, there will be many options as you can see. So the main option is to add title. So let me add title as max class. And below that you can see time and date to start the class. So I'll click on 5 July and select the time to 8 o'clock morning. And now guys, you must select the time zone. When you click on time zone, no need to change anything. It will automatically select it. So you just need to give OK. no need to select any other location, it will automatically select. So you just give OK and save it. So friends, if you want to delete the scheduled meeting or share the scheduled meeting ID, you must click on the 9 dot icon and click on calendar, Google Calendar, or you can search it calendar.google.com. It will take you to this page. Then you must select the date on which you have scheduled the meeting. Now you should search the time, so you should scroll up and now you can see 8 to 9 math class. When you click on that, you can see Google Meet, so you can copy the link and share to your group or friends. And then if you don't want this meeting, you can click on the delete icon at the top. After clicking on that, it will be deleted. So friends, you can download this, you can search on Play Store by searching Google Meet, and you will get this app. It's around 20 lightweight. So friends, now when you open this app, it's very simple to use. Mic on and off option and very simple and off compared to Zoom and other apps. When you click on the plus icon, you can start a meeting and you will get the code. You can share it on WhatsApp, Facebook, or any social media, so that when they click on this link, they will be able to join the meeting. And even if you want to join any meeting, when they send this type of link, when you click on that link, it will take you to this app, and you can start the meeting. So it's very simple and lightweight app compared to the other meeting applications.